Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ULEFONE Note 13P to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Once ready, open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on ULEFONE. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, select receive on an Android and send on ULEFONE at the bottom left corner. Then you need to click on all of those dots and finally choose send. This way you will select all of your files and send them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only one photo, choose send and click on got it. Now on an Android, choose no failings or yes I agree and close this window. Finally, we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on an Android, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. Or we can input this key over here instead and tap on receive button to connect those smartphones. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!